Right, so guys, today I am here to teach you how to do the stall chaser into free beat weave, into aerial, into clutch. Right, please go down to the description. I have got this whole video timestamped for your convenience. Just like to announce, I'm releasing slow-mo videos every single day, hopefully till the end of the year. So I'm going to be doing so many different combos that I'm hoping that you can join me and do together. But I'm going to be releasing them every day, so please be sure to be on the lookout for those combos. Right, so also down below, I have also got over 100 different moves which you can learn yourself in tutorial and slow-mo format. So I'll leave them in a link in the description below as well. And guys, please do remember to support my channel. Remember, I am only a small YouTuber and I really would like to grow, but I need your help to do that. So in return, I'm going to turn you into a badass ninja with nunchuck skills, and hopefully you'll subscribe. So please enjoy the tutorial. So I need you to get your non-dominant hand. I need you to get this roughly, you're holding it round halfway down the stick. What you're going to aim to do is you're going to aim to turn the point at the top of the stick here, which is the pointing stick, over and down here, do you see? So watch, I'm going to point this stick up. As I point this up, it will go stall down until you can basically get this like this, do you see? The only difference between this version and this version is I'm just putting a bit more force in, okay? So instead of now going like this as you're stalling, okay, so you're pointing this stick up and around and you're almost making this arc above, do you see, making this circle here? And then you're just going to kill this dead, okay? So this is the first step. This is how to do the stall. Right, so guys, once you have got this down stall really clean, you're ready to learn how to chase it with the other stick. So this stick that you're holding, remember you need to be holding both of them halfway down, okay? Because it is very important to get the effect. Okay, so as this one chases up, do you see how I can stall up with this, but I can chase this stick up with it? Do you see? Whoosh. How that's a little bit like a stall chaser, okay? But the only difference between that motion and the other motion is, as we're bringing this over here, okay, you're arcing towards this way because we're going to be doing a free beat weave over here, you see? So as you bring this stall down, you want this to chase, and then here is the transition point, how to go into your free beat weave, okay? So I'm going to break that down now. Right, so guys, now, once you are here, what you need to do is you need to take your non-dominant hand and put it on top of this arm like this. So you're moving this stick over to here to here. From here now, what you're going to do is you're going to cross this onto the other side, okay? This is basically half of the free beat, okay? Then what you're going to do, this bottom arm that you put on top before, which is now on the bottom, you're going to bring back onto the top, and we're going to cross over to here. So you should have your free beat like this now. Once you have it like this, what you're then going to do, once you take your dominant hand underneath this one, so we go on top and across, on top and cross, yes. Now we're going to go on top with this one, but at the same time we're going to go underneath with this one. That is going to lead us to be able to throw this in the air like this, do you see? So, as this hand goes on top of this arm is going to go underneath that arm, and we're going to throw this in the air like that. So, after you've done that, yeah, you should have the full move like this. It is as simple as, just to finish this, what we're going to do is we're going to rotate this and clutch it like this. And that is basically a full move, guys, so I hope you've enjoyed learning this. There are lots and lots of other moves that I would love to share with you, so it would be so awesome if you could support me, you know. What I'm doing it for free. I'm not asking you for anything, guys. You know, I'm just asking for your support and to subscribe to my very small channel at the moment. So with all that said and done, guys, next week we are going to be learning how to do this neat little stall. So be tuned to tune in for that. But there's another thing as well. See, I'm releasing combos every single day. Every single day I'm releasing combos. Hopefully till the end of the year. So be sure to subscribe to get the most out of my channel, and be sure to subscribe to learn some awesome nunchuck techniques. See you next time, guys.